Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rust removal is probably one of the most important things you can learn if you own cast iron cookware. Cast iron is known for its durability and heat retention, but it is also prone to rust. In this video, we'll explore the best methods for removing rust from your cast iron, ensuring your cookware stays in top condition and lasts for years to come. Number 5. Hope's Perfect Sink Cleaner and Polish. Introducing Hope's Perfect Sink, a gentle cleaner that shines, polishes, and protects. This product simplifies your cleaning routine, making it faster and more efficient. Bring back the like-new shine to your sink with this cleaner and polish. It features a refreshing lemon essence scent, leaving your sink smelling and looking great. This cleaner and polish creates an invisible water-repellent barrier. Future cleaning becomes easier, and water will bead up, similar to a freshly waxed car. Tough stains, water spots, and rust stains are no match for this product. It won't scratch your sink surface, leaving it with a brilliant shine. Hope's Perfect Sink is perfect for various surfaces. It works great on brushed stainless steel, cast iron, Korean, composite, acrylic, and vitreous china. What we like. This cleaner is a true multitasker, cleaning, polishing, and protecting your surfaces in one go. It creates an invisible water-repellent barrier, making future cleaning a breeze. If you are looking for a product that simplifies your cleaning routine and keeps your surfaces looking their best, you should consider this. What people say. I tried so many different products to clean my stainless steel kitchen sink that didn't work, including baking soda and vinegar. I found this on Amazon and my sink looks like new. I highly recommend. This stuff works great and without scrubbing. I just used a white washcloth and in a few seconds and was almost brow. Then I cleaned one of my old pans with it. They're all so shiny, they look brand new, and water just rolls off then in droplets. Excellent sink cleaner. My old sink looked like new once I applied this polish. Could not achieve this look with any other cleaners. Number 4. Culina Cast Iron Scrub, restores, cleans, and seasons. This cast iron scrub is designed to bring your cookware back to life. It removes stubborn rust and burnt-on food. This product also helps season your cast iron, leaving it ready for your next culinary creation. Over time, cast iron can develop rust and food stains. This scrub effectively removes these imperfections. It's designed to tackle tough spots, restoring your cookware to its original condition. Made with a natural coconut oil base, this scrub is safe for your food and won't go rancid. It's a healthy choice for your kitchen, ensuring your meals are prepared in a clean environment. Unlike harsh scrubbers, this product is gentle on your cast iron. It cleans effectively without damaging the surface. This ensures your cookware lasts for years to come. This product is proudly made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. It's a testament to quality and craftsmanship, ensuring you receive a reliable product. You can trust it to meet your needs. Culina offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely happy with it, you can return it. Your satisfaction is their top priority. What we like. This scrub not only removes rust and stubborn spots but also helps season your cast iron cookware. It's made with natural ingredients and won't scratch your surfaces. If you have cast iron cookware that needs some love and you want to maintain its seasoning, you should consider this. What people say. Does what it is supposed to do, which is to clean and restore iron frying pans. This product is amazing. So easy to use and the rust and baked on spots came easily clean. This scrub works miracles. Sprinkle this stuff in the kettle and watch it break down burnt food and rust. So easy to use. Cleaning the kettle is super quick and easy now. Number 3. CARON and DOUCET Cast Iron Scrub. This scrub is designed to clean and restore your cast iron cookware. It's perfect for removing rust and burnt-on food, while also helping to build and fortify the natural seasoning. It's a great solution for skillets, pots, pans, Dutch ovens, and grills. Made with a solvent-less, refined coconut oil base, this scrub is completely natural. The long-chain fatty acids have been removed, so it won't go rancid. It's safe for your food and your cookware. Infused with pure essential oils, this scrub naturally eliminates unwanted food odors. It will leave your cast iron cookware smelling clean and neutral. You'll love how fresh your kitchen smells. Unlike chainmail scrubbers, this product will not scratch the surface of your cast iron. It keeps your cookware in good condition for years to come. This ensures the longevity of your favorite pans. The CARON family takes pride in their products. They are confident you'll enjoy it as much as they do. If you're not 100% satisfied, they'll refund your money. Try it today. What we like. This scrub is designed to clean and restore your cast iron while eliminating unwanted food odors. It's made with natural ingredients and won't scratch your cookware. If you like your kitchen smelling fresh and your cast iron looking its best, you should consider this. What people say. The product works. The design is great. Number 2. Clark's Cast Iron Cleaner 12 ounces. Introducing Clark's Cast Iron Cleaner. This soap is designed to thoroughly cleanse your cast iron cookware. It's perfect for pots, griddles, pans, and skillets. Unlike most dish soaps, this cleaner has no harmful additives. It's made with natural ingredients, making it a vital part of your cast iron cleaning kit. This iron skillet cleaner doesn't just clean, it also preserves the seasoned cooking surface. It helps maintain your cast iron cookware, ensuring its longevity. For best results, pair this soap with Clark's cast iron oil after each use. This all-round solution protects and restores seasoning for all your cast iron items. Clark's prioritizes customer satisfaction. They respond to every email, providing expert support to ensure your experience matches the quality of their products. What we like. This cleaner is a Castile-based soap that protects and restores the seasoning of your cast iron cookware. It's made with natural ingredients, ensuring no harmful additives. If you are looking for a natural way to clean and maintain your cast iron, you should consider this. What people say. It works perfectly when paired with a chainmail cast iron cleaning tool. My cast iron skillet went from the hardest cookware I have to clean to the easiest. What I like about this product is that it suds up like soap even though it isn't a traditional soap. The cast iron pan smells nice and feels clean after using the product. It really helps to break down the bits of food that are stuck to the pan while allowing the seasoning to remain. This soap helps me to keep my cast iron clean and doesn't leave a film like my prior cleaners did. I use it with a scrubber or chain mail and it works great. Number 1. Yukon Glory Cast Iron Skillet Cleaner. If you love the flavor and durability of cast iron, you need to take care of it. This Yukon Glory Cleaner helps you remove grime and crust without damaging your cookware. Remember to season after cleaning. This scrubber is designed for easy use. Just add warm water and gently scrub. It's that simple to keep your cast iron in top condition. The stainless steel handle gives you absolute control. It keeps your hands clean from grime while you work. The welded stainless steel chainmail is built for the long haul. It will not crack or bend even after years of use. Cleaning is a breeze. It easily fits into any level of the dishwasher. The chainmail net is also removable for cleaning. No need to wait for your cast iron to cool down. The heat-resistant nylon body means it's always ready for use. What we like. This scrubber is a heavy-duty cleaner designed specifically for cast iron cookware. It's made with welded stainless steel rings and is completely dishwasher safe. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-clean solution for your cast iron, you should consider this. People say. A lot easier for her to use with a handle she can really push down and get some of the stuck-on stuff off. My husband is obsessed about cleaning the grill. Well, this scrubber is great. Very sturdy, great design and quality. Quality products, made to last and they get the job done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.